isolation period is that you have to have no symptoms at the end. And for people
Vi apologize for interruption. Nasjonal alert system will be on television. Stand by for instructions.
Warning. 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 This is the Eliotiania national government. This is not all. Flash flood at 8:12, tomorrow June 24. Evacuate immediately at the following areas: Canuzas, Nomachus, Protus, Siloma, Anithilas, and Kratos. A severe weather warning will occur due to the amount of cities taking flash floods. Stay indoors and take what is necessary. If you are in the following areas, evacuate inland. Flood is measured 1 meter, considered medium hazard. Turn on Wi-Fi on your mobile, or go to 157 kHz at the FM band on your radio. You should hear emergency information on your mobile or radio. We advise you to not panic, because emergency transportations are setting up. If the building of your house is compromised in your floating area, leave immediately.